Hey friends, you have to try this air fryer pork chop recipe. Super easy, moist, and delicious. So you're gonna start with pork chops, your favorite dipping sauce, then 1 teaspoon garlic powder, onion powder, and thyme, 2 teaspoons chili powder, 2 teaspoons paprika, and a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Olive oil, you're just gonna drizzle it over and then add your seasonings, mix it all together. Don't worry, I will put the full recipe at the end to where you can screenshot it. 380 degrees for 8 minutes. Serve with your favorite dipping sauce. We love Primal Kitchen's ranch and buffalo. These are keto friendly and low carb. Make sure you follow for more. Enjoy for more.
Close my eyes and I try to see. I bite my tongue. I close my eyes when I try to see. I bite my tongue when I wanna be heard.
I am completely obsessed with my air fryer, and yes, it's part of my personality trait now. So let me show you how to make my air fryer potato wedges. So I'm using russet potatoes, and we're just going to cut that down the middle and then cut those halves into either 3 or 4 wedges depending on the size of the potato. Put it in a little ice bath, let it soak for a bit, and then you pat those completely dry, and then add some avocado oil, and then I season. I use onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, pink Himalayan salt, freshly ground black pepper, and cornstarch. Then you're going to make sure that's all evenly mixed up and coated, and then we place it in our air fryer basket. The key here is not to overcrowd it. Once that's lined up, you're going to cook it. You just flip it halfway through, and then after that you top it with some parsley, and that's why.
Once I got an air fryer, I realized some foods are just made to be cooked in the air fryer, and shrimp is one of those foods. I'm not even a huge shrimp fan, but I cannot stop making this shrimp because it's super easy. You only need a few ingredients, and the tail is going to slide right off. I'm just coating it in paprika and a little bit of oil and air frying it for 7 minutes at 375 degrees. When it's done, I melted a little bit of butter, mixed it with some of this hot chipotle danos, which goes so well with the shrimp. It is so good. If you guys try it, be sure to tag me and let me know what you think.
Honey garlic chicken tenders for only 361 calories. Yes, that's the whole plate. And also 43 grams of protein. Woo! Start by slicing a chicken breast into fillets and season with a good pinch of salt and pepper and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Then dip into egg or egg white and then crushed cornflakes around 30 grams. Cook for 15 minutes in the air fryer or oven. Glaze.
I tried this recipe from at Low Carb Stackman, and it turned out amazing. Sirloin seasoned with olive oil, Worcestershire steak seasoning, salt, and pepper. Put in the air fryer for 7 minutes at 400 degrees. Toss in a butter garlic mixture. I didn't have chives, but it was still so good.
Rating things I've made in the air fryer. Air fryer chicken breast, 100 out of 10. Definitely the best chicken I've had. You would think it's fried, but it's not. Incredibly crispy and super juicy on the inside. Air fryer Brussels sprouts, 9 out of 10. Really delicious right when they first come out. Super crispy, but don't really stay crispy, but I found that's kind of how Brussels sprouts are. So if you get them right out of the air fryer, 10 out of 10. Otherwise, 9 out of 10. Air fryer hamburger, 1 out of 10. I never even blogged this because I could not figure out how to make it not super dry. I really think that beef needs to be seared and then grilled to make the best burger. So 1, if that, out of 10. Air fryer taquitos, 15 out of 10 because these have hidden veggies in them and you wouldn't taste it because I kind of mix them in with cheese. And they're super crispy and they're just really good. They taste like the ones you get frozen from Costco. 15 out of 10. Air fryer shrimp, 10 out of 10 just because I know everybody doesn't like shrimp, but this is the way to make them. All these are on my blog.
What's happening? What's happening? Hey, it's your boy Lil Jon. Pick your meat click. What's up, Phony? What's happening? What's up, Sean Paul? What's happening? Hey, now ladies and gentlemen, it's about that time now. Turn this thing on out. Now let me see everybody do this. Hey, let's go. Snap your fingers, but do you still? You can do it all by yourself. Let me see you do it. Let me see you do it. Hey, snap your fingers, but do you still? You can do it all by yourself. Let me see you do it. Let me see you do it.
I've been watching Air Fryer Guy. Bash, bash, bash. bit of a messy job. I'm a messy cow. 15 minutes on 200. Listen to that sizzle. Nom nom.